Assigning lessons and getting students there is now easier than ever. We've updated the assign modal so that now when you click on there, you can create a new class, but when you select the class, click on assign, you can then also assign out to Google Classroom or get a unique share link. So I'm going to show you, one of the things you have to make sure you do click assign. Now it's been assigned. If you unassign it, you just simply unclick it. It'll remove any student responses will be deleted if you unassign it and click OK. I'm going to go ahead and assign it again to there. And what I'm going to do though this time is I'm going to show you the new share or the new lesson assignment link. So I'm going to copy that, and we'll automatically copy to your clipboard when you click on that icon. So over here I've got a student account set up, and I'm just going to paste the URL. So this would be the same of if you're just simply pasting this assignment link into any LMS or you're emailing it to somebody. In this case, I do not have Insert Learning installed. I do already have an account. I've signed in with Google, but I don't have the extension installed. So it's going to prompt me first that I need to install the extension. So I'll do that. But then also I'm not enrolled in the class. So as the lesson starts to load, I'm going to get another message now prompting me for that class code. So I'm going to head over here, and this is the class that I just assigned it to. So it's JGK. I'm going to enroll in that class, and now that I've enrolled in the class and I have the extension installed, now I can view the lesson and begin interacting with it. So those are one of the great new things that we have for the assign modal. And again, you can also get to it from the more options and then assign to students, as well as in your Insert Learning dashboard. With all of your lessons on the right hand side, you can assign any of them from there as well as then create classes or import them directly from Google.